Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. First of all, let me express my gratitude to the examiners and everyone here for attending my thesis presentation. My name is Afa Guriatu Suada, and I'm from English Language and Culture. Today, I'm going to present my research entitled The Influence of Social Media on the Consumer Behavior of Students at the Faculty of Foreign Language, Bahauddin Mudahari Madura University. This research is part of the requirements to complete my undergraduate study at Bahauddin Mudahari Madura University. Okay, let me begin with the background of this study. As we all know, among students, social media has become an important part of student life. Not only as a means of entertainment and communication, social media is also a promotional medium that can affect consumption behavior. It becomes necessary to understand how media social play a role in this context. Therefore, this study was conducted to examine how much influence social media has on students' consumer behavior. Okay, based on the background, the main problems of the research can be formulated as follows. 1. What is the influence between the use of social media and the consumptive behavior of students at the Faculty of Foreign Language, Bahauddin Mudahari Madura University? 2. What social media platform affects consumer behavior the most? These research questions are important because they determine the scope and direction of the study. Okay, for the argument, let me begin with the first argument. Students are very active in using social media every day. Social media platforms are not only used for communication and entertainment, but also play a role in shaping habits, including consumption behavior. This is supported by global data from We Are Social and Hootsuite, which report that as of January 2024, the number of social media users worldwide reached 5.35 billion people, which is about 2% of the global population. These numbers show that social media is already a part of daily life, especially among young people and students. Okay, moving on to the second argument. One of the biggest factors that drives impulsive consumption is exposure to promotional content and influencers. A study conducted by Cominfo in 2023 showed that influencer marketing significantly affects people's purchasing decisions. The study found that around 71% of people admit to shopping impulsively because of content they saw on social media. This shows how powerful promotional content is in influencing behavior, especially when it's delivered by influencers whom students trust or admire. The third argument relates to social pressure and trends. Students today have high consumption tendencies, often influenced by digital trends and the desire to fit in socially. From my initial observation, many students show a change in behavior after being exposed to trending contents. Of the 29 students observed, 19 of them, about 65-52%, admit to buying something because they were influenced by social media content. This data reflects how strong the physiological and social impacts of social media can be in shaping consumer behavior, especially among young users who are still forming their identities and preferences. And then, one of the most important parts of this research is its novelty or original contribution. This research offers novelty in the following aspects, such as focus on students of the Faculty of Foreign Language, Bahaudin Mudahari Madura University, and then analyze of the influence of TikTok and Instagram platforms. And for the last, an approach to the emotional and impulsive aspect of social media use. These novelties make the research relevant and valuable, especially in understanding social media from a new perspective. Okay, moving on to the objectives. This research aims to analyze the influence of social media usage on the consumer behavior of students at the Faculty of Foreign Language, Bahaudin Mudahari Madura University. And then, identify the most dominant social media platforms in influencing consumption. The objectives are designed to provide clear goals for answering the research questions mentioned earlier. Besides the conclusion, this research also offers several benefits, including students can be more aware and critical of the influence of social media on their consumption patterns, and can be used by campus to design digital literacy and personal financial education. Okay, that concludes my presentation. I would now to open the Q&A sessions. I'm ready to answer any questions, suggestions, or comments from the examiners. Okay, since there are no questions, I would like to once again thank to examiners for your attention and time. I hope my presentation was clear and informative. Before I end, I would also like to apologize if there were any mistakes in my explanation or in the contents of my thesis. As a student, I'm still learning and I truly appreciate any suggestions or corrections from the examiners. That is all from me. Thank you very much. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.